how to play Brawl Stars with a VPN tutorial. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to play Brawl Stars with a VPN. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do is download a VPN. So open up the App Store or the Play Store and then just search up for a VPN. And then after that, choose any VPN that you want. So for me, I'll use this one right here. So I'll just click on get and then just wait for it to download. And then once it's done downloading, just open it up. And then from here, you want to choose the location and where you want to play your Brawl Stars. So just click on the fastest location right here. And then from here, you can choose any location that you want. So for me, I'll just use Singapore right here. So I'll go back and then just connect your VPN just by clicking on this button right here. Just click on allow and then you are now connected. And then once you are connected, you can now open up Brawl Stars and then play Brawl Stars with a VPN. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to play Brawl Stars with a VPN.